What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one we are talking about Sprt. This is the big stock of the day that's moving like crazy. On the week it's up over 190%. People are calling this the next AMC or GameStop, and it has a potential short squeeze, and that's what we are seeing here after hours. So we'll see how it opens tomorrow morning. It's definitely overextended at this point, but we did mention it in the Discord yesterday or on the 24th. We got wind of this one and we got a good entry, so now we can protect our profits and just let this thing ride. We'll see how it opens though. At these prices it's a bit overextended, so be very careful. And we're going to go over the short float, the call option flow, any news around this stock, and basically what's going on and their upcoming merger, and a little bit about the company. So if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, so a bit about Sprt.com, and just to be clear, I'm not long on this company. I'm not worried about the fundamentals. This is strictly a trade for me to get in and get out and make some money, so I just wanted to make that very clear, not a long-term investment. But a bit about them: they provide customer and technical support solutions delivered by home-based employees. They provide cloud-based technology platforms to companies in multiple industry verticals and offer outsourced support services for service providers, retailers, and Internet of Things. They have for 20 years steadily achieved consistent results in providing customer and technical support solutions for global enterprise clients, and their business took a sharp positive turn during the start of the pandemic. The company announced earlier this year that it plans a reverse merger with privately held Greenidge Generation Holdings, which bills itself as the first 100% carbon-neutral Bitcoin transaction processor in the United States. With the ongoing adoption of digital currencies and the growing awareness of the negative environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining that relies on fossil fuels, Greenidge is positioning itself as a planet-friendly alternative. So maybe in the future, this whole merger and these companies coming together will be a great thing. However, at the current price, going long on something like this just seems like you're going to be bag holding. But for a trade, I think this could do very well. So it says here, the escalating share price and the resulting short covering became a self-fulfilling prophecy, driving shares even higher. The combination of high short interest and the surrounding cryptocurrency was enough to drive Sprt.com into the stratosphere today. The average volumes around 8 million, today exceeded 100 million, and this was trending all over social media platforms. And so you have it on YouTube, you have it on StockTwits, everyone just talking about it. So this has a lot of attention right now. That's why I do think tomorrow we'll see even more of a run. And we saw some crazy action after hours, because this did close, I believe, right around $20, and after hours really went nuts. But this has traded as low as $1 before, so just be very careful. As quick as it can go up, it can come down. Now, we did get in a bit earlier, so I originally got in around $13. Now, I've been trading this one. I'll buy, it'll go up a couple dollars, I'll set a stop loss, protect my gains, and that's just kind of how I've been playing it. So I have an average cost under $20. I'm not really worried about it right now. It's not a lot of my percent in my trading portfolio. It's a risky play, so just keep that in mind. Do not YOLO into this. Don't chase it. Don't FOMO. But if there is an entry and opportunity, then that could be a great thing. Now we're going to get into the open interest on the contracts, the bullish call flow, and what we're seeing. This article came out the other day before the move really happened, and it's talking about why the short squeeze potential in Sprt is increasing every day and how they're signaling $45 by September 10th. September 10th is the day they're going to have that meeting to approve this merger, similar to how SPACs work and how they have to vote on that. But those events are usually sell the news, so be very careful. But the short interest and short volume is increasing, like I just showed you guys. And it says here that this has only been experienced by the likes of a few companies such as GameStop and AMC. So their extensive analysis on the short squeeze potential, they're increasing their price to 45 by September. But we have heard this short squeeze term thrown out a lot in 2021, and there's a ton of stocks to keep up with that get this word associated with them, especially like the meme stocks. You got Wish, Clove, Workhorse, just a ton of those. So be very careful. As fast as they go up, they can go down, which is why I'm sticking to shares, because I'm already in profit. I can set a stop loss, protect my gains, and options, the implied volatility is so insane that if it drops $2, your contracts can lose value. Even if they're in the money, they can lose value very quickly. So that's why options probably aren't the way to go on these things, and just protect yourself with the shares. All right, so people are betting that this is really going to have the movement like AMC and GME, and here is why. This transpiring with SPRT shares is happening in the last couple of weeks. Basically, the short interest has gone from 25 to 37% to 42%, and then a few days later to 55%, a few days later to 67% as of August 20th. Now, this is similar to how AMC and GME had before their parabolic stages. So they went from 23 to 33 to 57 to 61%. That's for AMC. GME went 18 to 29, 40 to 51%. And then both of those went crazy. So that's why people expect a huge move, even more than we've gotten. The bullish call flow is around 66%, and a ton of call options were purchased right before close. So this is something to definitely keep an eye on, and I do see this going higher, especially as people start to FOMO in and this gains more traction. So a couple of these articles came out 2 days ago saying that support.com is too high to chase and too hot to short, and then let this retrace to $5 before placing your order. So although they are cautious and likely right that this will probably come all the way back down to $10 or less, and I hardly play these types of stocks, this does suck for whoever didn't get in on these, because now it's very risky to enter at the top. So definitely wait for a little bit of a retracement if you did want to try and play this. So my plan is to play shares. I sold my calls already. I am out of calls. I don't want to touch calls anymore. If you're not already early in on calls, the implied volatility is jacked up now. You're going to pay a crazy premium, and you're likely just FOMOing and chasing, and that's how you lose money. So for shares, try to get a good entry if you are going to do this. It is definitely a gamble, so don't put in more than you're willing to lose. And once you're up, say a couple dollars or whatever you're willing to risk, set a stop loss, protect your gains, so no matter what, you can't lose. That's what I'm doing. And yeah, these options will just burn premium like crazy. So we know from the past that most of the time, these types of events, they are pump and dumps or they are sell the news. So that is why I'm playing it this way. No matter what, I'll be making money. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come join us in the Discord if you want more plays like this. We don't usually find short plays like this. This is, very rare, but we do offer a lot of cool charts and different ideas on typically, pretty fundamentally sound companies. So yeah, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and have a good one.